Hey guys, it's me again, Emily. So I have another unboxing video here. So I said in my last video that I got of my Jack in a pumpkin that I got off of Etsy from Crystal. I said I was gonna get a cat, a black cat then. So I finally got my black cat in the mail. And I'm super excited to unbox this. And if you want to know the Etsy and Instagram account of her, I'll tell you later then, because I think it's called Spookshow Babe Design. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, but usually I just know her by Crystal. But yeah, I'm super excited to unbox this, and sorry that I look crazy. I just got home from work, so I got this earlier, but I didn't have time to do an unboxing video before I left. So let's unbox this. I'm super excited to see. And this cat is named Salem. That's what she called it. Uh-oh. That is not good. I'm so sorry. I hate using my phone. So here's just my receipt. And then this is what the packaging looks like. Oh. And I got stickers. This one's Never Mind the Witch, Beware of the Cat. Oh, that's cute. She sent little free stickers. Last time I got like a little goodie bag with candy and stuff. And erasers and stickers again. So very cute. So let's unbox this. Oh my god, did I open this? I opened this upside down. I just realized that. I opened this upside down, but this is what it looks like. It is so cute. I'm just going to leave it there because I want to take a screenshot then. Yeah, I opened it upside down. But, here, I love how she did this. So cute. So, at the, Spookshow Babe Design, that is where you would find her on Instagram and Etsy. And she sent me a little pen. She usually always sends a pen to you with one of her logos on it. And then I got another free pencil. This one's really cool. It has a witch hat and bats. Kind of looks like my tattoo, except for I have a third bat to mine. And then a little orange leaf. And then just a thank you, a note. And it has, oh, I love this. It has a little sticker. I love this so much. I have like some stuff. I know that's from Target, and I got this thing to paint that looks like that. That is so cute. And then of course I have a little black sparkly sticker, which I'm gonna save with a black cat on it. So cute. I'm gonna unbox it this way. I don't want to cut the ribbon because I want to save the ribbon. I love how she like adds all that cute touches to it. It always makes me so happy. Okay. Okay, I'm so excited. Aw, wow, that is so cute. Here is Salem. Oh my goodness, look how cute. And then on the bottom is a Ouija board. So cute. And then this says you the date, made with love, and then her logo is at the bottom. And it's so cute. My little black cat is going to sniff it. Midnight kitten. Hold on, I'm so sorry. Okay. No one wants to see your butt. So isn't that so cute? I think that is really, really adorable. And I love the hat. She had this last year as well, but this time she added a hat to it. And it's so cute. So yeah, that's really cute. And here's the cute little tail. Aw, so cute. Do you think it's cute, Midnight? And it looks like the buttons are like sewn on too, which is really cool. It's not just like glued on. But yeah, this is very, very cute. Very cute. And look, even on its ear is a candy corn. How cute is that? But yeah, so that's what I got. And Midnight is laying on the tissue paper. So he got something he likes. Oh, now he's leaving. Let me try to shoo him away. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.